Good morning, this is Shelby Law with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Friday, October 2nd, 2015. The main fire potential impacts for the next week are going to be the continued cool and wet weather that's moving into the Great Basin today. We're looking for those showers and thunderstorms to continue across mainly eastern portions of the Great Basin for today and into tomorrow morning, and then looking for another low to drop into the Great Basin, bringing showers and thunderstorms to mainly the southern and eastern portions of the Great Basin for Monday into Tuesday. Temperatures are much cooler region-wide. Precipitation for the last 24 hours was mainly focused over northern Nevada and across much of southern Idaho, and that cold front has moved into northern Utah in the overnight hours, bringing some showers to those regions. And the lightning activity has mainly been concentrated in those same areas. Initial attack activity was fairly light yesterday, with some new small fires popping up in portions of western Wyoming and in central Utah. This morning's water vapor imagery shows that main area of low pressure swinging through the Great Basin today. That's what's causing a pretty significant decrease in temperatures region-wide and bringing showers and thunderstorms to the region. This low has decreased significant fire potential across the region, especially over the northern two-thirds of the area, and we'll see that decrease continue across the south as we move into the first part of next week. Temperatures have dropped significantly over the last 24 hours, with highs only in the low 70s across western portions of the Great Basin and highs in the 60s over the eastern portions. Precipitation for this afternoon will be mainly limited to central and eastern Idaho, western Wyoming, northern and central Utah, and portions of northeast Nevada. On Saturday, the main low lifts off to the north and east, but we'll still see showers and thunderstorms lingering across mainly portions of Idaho and northern Utah. Large fire potential will remain low region-wide. Temperatures will still be on the cool side, with highs in the upper 60s to low 70s across the area. On Sunday, an area of low pressure will strengthen over central and southern California, bringing an increased chance of showers and thunderstorms to western portions of the Great Basin. Temperatures will warm slightly for Sunday across much of the area, although southern and western Nevada will be on the cool side as cloud cover and showers move into that portion of the state. On Sunday, some showers could linger across western Wyoming with an exiting low. By Monday, the low over southern California will strengthen, drawing more moisture up into the Great Basin, and this should be a more active day for showers and thunderstorms across much of the southern Great Basin. On Tuesday, the low remains in place, continuing to move slowly eastward, bringing more showers and thunderstorms to Utah and maybe even up into southeast Idaho. This wet and cool pattern continues into Wednesday, with a good chance for showers across much of the area. On Thursday, it looks like the low tracks off to the east, bringing a day of sunny skies to the region. Many RAWS stations were unable to report their observations yesterday, but we should have seen a decrease in overall fire danger as that wet weather moved into Idaho and Nevada. Forecast precipitation amounts for today and Saturday are shown here on the left, with the greatest precip amounts over eastern Idaho, western Wyoming, and northern Utah, with other areas across Nevada, central Idaho, and central Utah receiving at least between 1/10 and 1/4 inch of rain. For the next period, early next week, Monday into Tuesday, the bulk of the moisture is going to be observed over central and southeast Utah and portions of southern Nevada, with areas further north only receiving 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of rain. The extended forecast from the Climate Prediction Center moving into the second week of October is calling for a return of warm temperatures across the region, with a near normal chance for precipitation across the Great Basin. This concludes today's fire potential briefing. Please check back tomorrow for the latest updates.